Babe, open your eye.
No, I want to be looking this way.
No, open your eye here. Open it here.
I prefer to.
Babe, I'm not joking. I want to see his mess.
You've seen this beauty right in front of
Babe,
me.
wait. I want to see who's sending us, who's texting us.
So this beauty.
Wait now. Open your eye. Babe, open your eye.
It's open now.
It's not open. Open this one. No problem. Because I want to see this. I want to see who is texting us.
Person is not important. Though.
No, wait. Now, yeah, just open this. Wait, just open first. Open. Wait. No, open first. I'll kiss you plenty safe. I'll do more than babe,
No, that was the very light kiss. Something deeper, something meaningful.
What's deeper and meaningful?
Yeah, like a deeper kiss. Oh, baby.
Yes.
I'm so lucky to have you in my life. So lucky.
So, what should I say? You know, I prayed. I told God that I wanted a man that would love me unconditionally. And he answered my prayers and he sent you.
You know, sometimes I wonder what I did to deserve a superwoman like you.
Right?
You deserve to be worshipped every day. I should literally. I will still not open my phone. I'm praising you and you're talking about phone.
Open it. Babe, open your phone. Babe, open your phone. I'm not joking. Don't phone me. Wait, open your phone. No, don't worry.
I know what you're doing. All
What
this
am I
open your phone that you're doing. It's going to end somewhere.
Anyway,
Yes.
I just want you to open your phone. Babe, stop.
Let me open the phone.
No, just
Hold on now. Let me open it.
I said open the
I
phone.
want to open all the things.
What would you want to open? There's nothing to open.
Babe,
Babe,
it's not-